Hi guys, I have an idea because my mom doesn't want my dogs here anymore, so I have to take care of her. And so this is my dog. I want to make her little house homemade, and the way I could do that is with a box and duct tape and a towel. But I don't know if it's like a good idea. Comment below if you think it's a good idea. I'm very tired. Sorry guys. Wait. We will not end this video because it would be too short. So I should go into details. So I would take a box, duct tape the bottom of it because it might not have the top of it, and then I would put a towel. Wait, I would have to cut a huge hole in the middle and put a towel inside of it. And when that night time, I would have to put my dog inside her cage. Comment below and like if you think that would be a good idea. Bye guys.